T-Mobile offers several flexible payment arrangement options designed to help you manage your account and avoid service interruptions when you need extra time to pay your bill. As of 2025, T-Mobile emphasizes a digital-first approach to payment management. You can set up and manage payment arrangements through the T-Mobile app or website, eliminating the need to call customer service in most cases. T-Mobile offers three main types of payment arrangements to fit different situations and needs. Promise to Pay allows you to schedule a payment up to 30 days in advance, helping prevent immediate service suspension while giving you time to arrange funds. Payment extensions provide short-term delays of typically 7 to 14 days based on your account history. Customers with good payment records may qualify for extensions without additional fees. Split payment plans break larger bills into smaller, more manageable payments spread over 30 to 60 days, with each installment having specific due dates. To qualify for payment arrangements, you must meet several eligibility requirements that T-Mobile has established to ensure responsible use of these flexible payment options. You need an active T-Mobile account, though this may include accounts that are currently suspended. There are frequency limits of generally 2 to 3 arrangements per 12-month period to prevent overuse. Amount restrictions ensure you cannot arrange for more than your current balance plus applicable fees, and most arrangements must be fulfilled within 30 days. Payment arrangements have different impacts on your service depending on your account status and whether you meet your arrangement commitments. With an active payment arrangement in place, you maintain normal service. If you miss arrangement deadlines, you may experience partial suspension where some services are limited while emergency access is maintained. If arrangement deadlines pass without payment, complete service interruption occurs. However, service is typically restored within 2 to 24 hours after payment completion. T-Mobile's comprehensive payment arrangement options provide the flexibility you need to manage your account responsibly while maintaining your service when financial challenges arise. T-Mobile offers a streamlined, digital-first approach to managing your payment arrangements. You can easily set up and manage these arrangements through the T-Mobile app or website without needing to call customer service. Start by logging into your T-Mobile account through the app or website. Navigate to the billing section, where you'll see your current balance and payment options. You'll find three main types of payment arrangements available. Promise to Pay lets you schedule a payment up to 30 days in advance. Payment extensions provide short-term delays of 7 to 14 days. Split payment plans allow you to break your balance into smaller, manageable installments. Keep in mind several important considerations. Arrangement fees may apply, particularly for Promise to Pay options, typically ranging from $5 to $15. You're generally limited to 2 or 3 arrangements per 12-month period, and arrangements must be fulfilled within 30 days. Be aware that some services may be partially suspended during the arrangement period. T-Mobile is integrating artificial intelligence to enhance your payment experience. The system can suggest optimal payment arrangements based on your payment history and provide personalized solutions through chatbots. AI also helps predict payment behavior and offers budget planning assistance within the app. Once you complete your payment arrangement, service restoration typically occurs within 2 to 24 hours. The exact timing depends on your payment method and when the payment is processed. Digital payments generally restore service faster than traditional payment methods. T-Mobile is also focusing on financial wellness integration. The app now includes budget planning tools to help you manage your telecommunications expenses. There are partnerships with financial management apps, payment reminders and alerts to keep you on track, and educational resources to help you better manage your overall expenses.